this. What good sign can the 10 see in advancement towards connection?
The good sign is that we always have additional deficiencies, and we can pray to the Creator to give us the strength to turn every deficiency to a degree of ascent to Him.
So Rav, that actually says that if we're making efforts towards connection, but we feel that we're not succeeding, could that be a good sign? Meaning that we need more effort, more...
That's always the case. It's always the case. But most importantly, together. What you want to learn, how to walk correctly from one state to another. It's only on the condition that you are connected and you are learning together how to overcome every state. Only together. Without connection, you can't do anything about the current state. Connection comes first, and then in connection you decide how to advance. Then you advance, you did something, something changed, once again you connect. Without connection, you don't make any action happen. It will always be to your detriment this way.
Focus group.
I have two questions from the internet. The student is asking, why did you choose to open the lesson with the topic of the unification of the people? What's the importance of the unification of the people of Israel in this time?
It's very important because we are at a crossroads. And the more we care about the unity and connection of the people, we will advance correctly and set an example to the whole of humanity. And if it will happen without unity of the people, then we will seem the worst, the most broken, the most shattered, and it'll be a bad example, and accordingly our situation will keep deteriorating more and more. So in our time, in our state, where we are now, I call upon everyone towards unity and connection.